Good morning, student. Today we have to discuss about the chapter 1 crop production and crop management, and we have discussed question 4 to 6 in this video. Question number 4, write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. First one is preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in the agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loosened soil allows the roots to breathe easily even they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in growth of the earthworms and microbes present in the soil. Turning and loosening of soil brings nutrient-rich soil to the top so that the plants can use these nutrients. After writing this paragraph, you have to draw the diagram of plough. Next, sowing. Sowing can be done by two ways. For sowing, good quality of seed will be selected. Sowing can be done by two methods: traditional tool method, seed drill method. Seed drill method. Nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool saves the seeds, sows the seed uniformly at a proper distance and depth. It ensures that seed get covered by the soil after sowing. This prevents damage caused by birds. By sowing by using a seed drill, save time and labor. After writing the sowing, you have to draw a diagram of a seed drill as shown in the video. Next is weeding. The removal of weed is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weed competes with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space and light. Thus they affect growth of the crop. Some weeds interfere even in the harvesting and may be poisonous for animal and human beings. Last term is threshing. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from chaff. This is called threshing. It is carried out with help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a combine harvester and thresher. Now move on to the question number 5. That is, what is the difference between manure and fertilizer? As you see, first you have to draw a line between them, and first we have to discuss what is fertilizer. A fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Second point, of fertilizers is prepared in factories. Third point, a fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. And fourth point, fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. In addition to the manure is natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residue can be prepared in the fields. Manure provides a lots of humus to the soil, and manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Now move on to the question number 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. It means first you have to write the definition of irrigation and then describe the methods of irrigation which conserve water, that is the modern method of irrigation. First, what is irrigation? The supply of water to the crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Two methods of modern methods of irrigation are: first is in sprinkler system. This system is more useful on the uneven land where a sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top are joined to the main pipeline. When water is allowed to float through the main pipeline under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as it is raining. And you have to draw the diagram of a sprinkler system as shown in the video. Next is the drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots, so it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, garden and trees. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in the region where availability of water is poor. After writing this, you have to draw the diagram of drip system, which is shown in this figure like this. Okay.